Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. Today we are going to install the Flutter and the Android Studio, and we will also see what's the problem comes in the way of installation, and we will fix all that problems. To install the Flutter, you need to install two files. Make sure you are already downloaded that files. The link for the downloading are below in the description. You can check that out. For the installation, you must have to install the Android Studio first, and then we will install the Flutter for the Windows. To start the installation, we will start installing from the Android Studio. Let's install the Android Studio first. The installation process for the Android Studio is very simple. You can click next here. Also, you can add a virtual device if you want to test out the virtual device or the Android emulation for the testing processes for the applications. So if you need to keep the Android virtual device, then you can check this, or if you don't want to keep this, you can uncheck this. So then hit next. You can set the any installation directory. For mine, the default directory is fine, so hit next. Okay, for now the installation for the Android Studio will be completed in a few seconds. Okay, finally the installation for the Android Studio is completed. And then hit next and start the Android Studio. Okay, on this stage, when your Android Studio is installed for the first time, you will open it will need to fetch some files, and it will download some files from the internet. So make sure you are connected to the internet. So I will say no, not here. It's fetching some of the files. You can see it's installing the SDK for the Android API 32. If you for the first time, if you're not connected to the internet, and you just proceed directly to install the Flutter instead of getting the SDK files while it try to download while it's connected to internet. And then for the installation of the Flutter, it will show up some of the problems that can be annoying to fix. So make sure when you install the Android Studio, then wait for it and connect this to internet, may that it can download all the necessary files, and then we will proceed to install the Flutter application. Meanwhile, it's fetching some of the files from the internet. We will get back to the installation folder where we are going to install the Flutter. That Flutter zip file, you need to just extract that file. You can extract using a WinRAR or the zip extractor, any of that you prefer. Oh, both processes are running simultaneously. Okay, for the Android Studio, it almost fetched all the necessary files, so we can close this anyhow, and now we can focus on the installation of the Flutter. Alright, our extraction Flutter files extraction is completed. So this is the folder, and if you want to move this folder into any desired disk or into any desired folder, you can do that but the most important thing is you need to rename this folder. Make sure that you when you open this, you have a one Flutter folder and all its sub files here in the Flutter folder. So let's get back to our main folder. First you need to rename this folder to proceed further. So I'm just renaming it to the short as source src. So I'm renaming it as a src, and here when we open it, here is a Flutter folder and inside all the files are here. So now the most important installation process begins here. So you need to open a command prompt. You can here search as cmd and you open it. When you open it, you can type here Flutter Doctor, Flutter Doctor, and it will say Flutter is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file, because our system, our computer does not know the Flutter is here, the file for the Flutter is here. So you to get this Flutter files into the system, we need to do a simple thing. Just you need to open that folder that you have just extracted with the Flutter files, then open the Flutter folder and then open the bin folder. When you open the bin folder, click up at upper side, it will show the file path. So you need to copy this file path, select all this, copy this, and this file path is copied. Here in the search menu, you will search environment. Okay, there will be the option added system environment variables, added added environment variables for your account. So there will be the two options. You need to select added environment variables for your account, and you click it, at this window will appear, and there will be an option OneDrive, path, temp and tmp. You need to select the path, select on it, hit edit. When a new this window is open, just click on new. Here the path file that you have copied, just paste it here, paste, and then hit OK. Hit OK. Now again we will open the command prompt and we will say search Flutter Doctor. Okay, let's see what. Okay, this time it is trying to fetch the files. Okay, now it is fetching that it can recognize that Flutter is here. So it says welcome to the Flutter. That's mean our systems now able to get this, that Flutter is finally installed here. Now the doctor will try to fetch that what files are missing, and I will tell you how we can fix that. So first it says the Flutter is working and it is version, and that's next is say the Android tool chain is not working. I will let you know that how we can solve this problem as well. And it also say the command line tool component is missing in the Android Studio, and Android license status is unknown. So I will also explain how we can accept that. And the next is Visual Studio for the Studio developed for Windows is missing as well. Although you can download this Visual Studio from the Windows Visual Studio website, but first I will focus on this, how you can accept the Android license status. So inside the Chrome command prompt, you need to run a command. This is the Flutter Doctor Android licenses. You need to type this command. So I will here the Flutter Doctor space dash dash Android dash licenses. When we hit enter, it's saying that Android SDK manager not found. Update the latest Android SDK and show the command line tool to install the resolve this option. So we need, if we want to resolve this option, we must resolve first that is the command line tool component is missing. First we need to solve this. To solve this, we had to open the Android Studio that we have installed. So we will open the Android Studio. This is the most simple way that you can fix this. Okay, when you have opened this, just search for here SDK manager. So if I okay, let me close this first introductory project. Close this introductory project, and here is the option at the three dot. We will click here, where here it shows the SDK manager. We will click here, and then on the left side we will click on the Android SDK, where here the option will be SDK platform, SDK tools, SDK updates. We will click on SDK tools. After clicking on the SDK tools, we need to look for a command line tools. Here is the option Android SDK command line tools latest. We will click on here and we will hit apply. Hit OK. Now it will try to download the files for the SDK command tools command lines, and it is just 108 MB. After downloading this file, we will proceed. Okay, finally it's been downloaded and installed. We will hit finish, hit OK, and we will close this Android Studio. Now we will again close this command line and we will open the command line again. Now we will hit Flutter Doctor. Now we will see what's happened this time. Okay, it's fetching again that Flutter is working fine. Now what about the issues? Okay, for this time it says Android toolchain developed for Android devices. It's working partially, but the thing is missing, that is Android license. As the Android license is not accepted yet, but the Android toolchain is working fine. So for this time we can fix this Android license problem. To fix this, we need to run a command, that is to fix the problem for the Android licenses, we need to run a command, that is a Flutter Doctor space dash dash Android dash licenses. We need to copy this command and we need to run this command, and let's see what happens. To solve the problem of the Android licenses, we need to run this command, Flutter Doctor space dash dash Android dash licenses, and hit enter. Okay, it's saying yes or no, so we need to hit Y for the yes and enter. Then again we need to write Y and enter. Again Y, enter, Y, enter, Y, enter, Y, enter, and now it's done. So for now the Android license is accepted, so we can again run the Flutter Doctor command, Flutter Doctor, and for this time it must, okay, for now it's working very well, but still we have missing one thing, and that is the Flutter and the dirt plugin inside the Android Studio, we can head towards Android Studio. I'm surprised why it's not showing here. Okay, when you open the Android Studio, click on the plugins, and here you can directly search the Flutter. Okay, when the Flutter, this is the Flutter plugin, click on the install, accept. It will first say the Flutter plugin required the Dart plugin, so you can hit on the install. The Dart plugin will be installed automatically here. So the Dart and the Flutter both plugins will work fine here. Restart IDE. Finally, we have a working Flutter with the Android Studio. You can start a new Flutter project here with all the required things. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.